So, good afternoon. Ulitin niya ako for the last meeting. Ito technical error. So, like the test, it is the last part of the stylistic devices based on interrogative and negative construction. So, like the test, it came from the Greek word "litos," which means lay. The figure of speech in which an affirmative is expressed by the negative of its contrary, as in he is not a silly man, he is a clever man. So, in like the test, it just simply says that a positive quality is expressed through negative way. So, in a like the test, it must have a negative statement, as in not as or not boy. So, for example, not bad. So, not bad, it means, or probably means, good. It's no big deal. My dad just died. So, probably the girl it's a big deal for her that her dad just died. So, he is no ordinary boy because he is an extraordinary boy. So, here are more examples of like this. Not bad. Okay. It's not my favorite, or I don't like it. Not too shabby, or probably means nice. So on. So next we have the stylistic devices based on different compositions of part of the utterances. Okay. First one, we have the parallelism, or the parallel structure. So when we hear the word parallel, we think it in mathematics. So parallel lines, it is two lines which never met. So the meaning of parallel lines is almost the same as the parallelism in English language. So parallelism present history.
Parallelism, from the Greek word parallelios, means going beside. This is a syntactic stylistic device consisting in a specific similarity of construction of adjacent word groups, equivalent, complementary, or opposite meaning. Parallelism may be used for rhetorical effect or literary.
So parallelism, it is when all the words and phrases in a sentence follow the same structures. For example, a famous quote by Julius Caesar: "I came, I saw, I conquered." I mean, it is parallel because it follows the same structure, which is the I came, I saw, and conquered. Subject plus verb. The subject is I, and the verb is came, saw, and conquered. So I have here 5 examples, and I want you to sabi niyo kung if it is parallel or not. Number 1, she wants to go to college and get a job. Do you think it is parallel or not? Yes, it is parallel. She wants to go to college and get a job. So what are the 2 things that you think is parallel in here? The go to college and get a job. Because they are both an action word. Number 2, Joey is studying music, dance, and how to make art. It is parallel or not? So what are the 3 things that should be parallel in here? Sydney. Joey is studying music, dance, and how to make art.
Remove how to make. Joey studying music, dance, and art.
Yes, correct. So to make it parallel, you just have to remove how to make. So to make it parallel, Joey is studying music, dance, and art. Number 3, Ben is a talented reader, is good at speaking, and a writer. Do you think it's parallel or not? Okay, it is not parallel. So the 3 things that should be parallel in here are the reader, good at speaking, and writer. So speaker. Speaker only. So the parallel structure of this sentence is Ben is a talented reader, speaker, and writer. Number 4. I picked up my things, ran out the door, got in my car, and drove off. So what are the 4 things that should be parallel in here? So, pick up my things, ran out the door, got in my car, and drove off. So let's analyze. I pick up my things, it is like past tense. Ran out the door, present tense. Got in my car, it is like past tense. And drove off is also a past tense. So we just have to change run to RAN. Instead of RUN, we have to change it into RAN to make it also past tense. So I pick up my things, ran out the door, got in my car, and drove off. Last one. I enjoy hiking, swimming, and fishing. Do you think it is parallel or not? Yes, it is parallel. What are the 3 things that should be parallel in here?
Hiking, swimming,
And fishing. Because it,
present, ing form.
they are all in ing form or gerunds. So the last one we have the chiasmus or the chiasmus. Regine, please read.
Chiasmus is a syntactic stylistic figure inversion in second phrase of the word order followed in first.
So chiasmus or chiasmus came from the Greek word chiasmus, means cross arrangement. So chiasmus or chiasmus, it is a 2-part sentence or phrase where the second part is a reversal of the first. For example, so have a language for knowledge and knowledge for language. So in a cross arrangement, pinagpalit ang first part and then the second part. For example, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Another, let us never negotiate out of fear, but let us never fear to negotiate. Last example is, we shape our buildings, and afterward, our buildings shape us. So that's all for the first part of my report. First part of my report. So do you have any questions, clarification? Okay. Next report here.